Hello, I'm here with Illum-Industries and today I'm going to explain how to install your 5-pin dimmer. First, we're going to want to scan the QR code that's on the 5-pin dimmer. Go ahead and grab your phone and then you grab the camera. It should pop up with a link up here. Go ahead and then download the app. It should look like this. Magic LED Light V2. And then from here, we'll then go ahead and start the wiring process. The input side, which is the side with the pigtail, is the side that needs a 12-volt power source coming from your car to the plate. If you have two original harness clips to go into your original license plate light, you're going to want to splice them together and run them parallel and wire them into the 5-pin dimmer. The red arrow up top corresponds to the positive, the rest is negative, which will then complete the circuit to your light. Please make sure the white wire is connected to the red arrow to be able to continue and following along with the wiring diagram. The Illum plate positive will then go to the white. The negative will then go to the dark blue. The original license plate light positive will go to the white. And the negative will then go to this black. If you have two plates and want to run them in parallel, you're just going to want to put the positive to the white and the negative to the dark blue, and do the same for both front and rear. When the 5-pin dimmer is installed correctly, it will then act as a splitter so you can alternate from Illum plate to the original license plate light and will have the ability to dim either light.